Hello everyone, Alex here from the MCPHONEY YouTube channel. Obviously, just wanted to give you a quick update to say that I haven't disappeared, I haven't abandoned ship, anything like that. Unfortunately, there's a slight delay with a lot of videos because this entire room has to be ripped out. Basically, what we have discovered is some cracks appearing, and although they're only very thin hairline cracks, they are spreading. And then if you look outside, well, the cracks are even bigger on the outside. And then they continue onto our landing and then into the bedroom, downstairs, into the kitchen, and they are quite big in various other parts of the property. Now, luckily, the surveyor has been out and he has confirmed that it isn't anything like subsidence, but still a lot of work has to be done. We have tried to DIY it, but hey, what can you do? We are going to have some slight variations though once we return. Different colour, slightly different desk, and but that is it. And hopefully then I can finish. I think I've got 4 or 5 videos on the go at the moment, and I was hoping to then release them. But yeah, it's just too late. So that is that. But I hope you're all well out there, and I really do appreciate all the comments and subscribing and everything that you do to help keep me going, because, well, as a lot of you may or may not know, it is difficult to do a YouTube channel, especially with the daily grind of life on top of you. So much appreciated for all the support, and hopefully it won't be offline for too long. And yeah, I'll be back with the kind of new look, but exactly the same. Thanks very much for listening. See you on the other side. Take care. Thank you once again.